Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making a porcini and saffron risotto, a typical dish from northern Italy. After browning a clove of chopped garlic in olive oil, we cut the dried mushroom, better if flesh, and brown them together. We add the rice and toast everything well. Meanwhile, separately dissolve a small piece of broth cube in warm water. Add it to the rice until covered and proceed with cooking. As our broth evaporates, add more until cooked. When the risotto is cooked properly, add the saffron and mix everything well. Here, during my exploration, I found some wild thyme and I will use it as a final touch. Buon appetito!